A very good morning to all. This is your science teacher Nazish and welcome back to your science class with me. In today's video, we will begin with a very new chapter number 6 from your book, that is Acids, Bases and Salts. I hope you will enjoy this chapter. So, let's begin with. We all use a large number of substances in our daily life for various purposes, right? Some such substances are like soaps, detergents, edible substances like vinegar, juices, milk, curd, baking powder, and etc. and etc. These substances are also called household chemicals. These household chemicals may be different from each other in terms of taste, smell, or their appearance. In this chapter, we will classify the substances according to their chemical nature. Well, have you ever noticed there's something common between lemon, orange, vinegar, raw mango, or amla or tamarind, that is imli in Hindi? Yeah, think. Yes, they all are sour in taste. Sour in Hindi means khatta. These all the edible items are sour or khatta in taste. These substances such as curd, grapes, lemon, orange, tamarind, etc., they all have sour taste. The sour substances found in nature or prepared artificially are called acids. These substances are acidic in nature and they taste sour due to the presence of certain acids in them. The word acid comes from the Latin word acidus, which means sour. Acids can be classified as organic acids or mineral acids depending upon their source. The acids which are found in plants and animals are commonly called natural acids or organic acids, while there are acids which can be prepared from non-living things by chemical means. Such acids are called mineral acids. Hence, I can say acids that are prepared from the minerals present in the earth are called mineral acids. Some sources of natural acids are oranges, lemons, grapes, tamarind, amla, tomatoes, sour milk, vinegar, apple, or even the bee or ant's sting. The lactic acid is present in milk and curd. Oxalic acid is present in spinach and tomatoes. In fruits like lemon and oranges, citric acid is present. Malic acid is present in apple. In unripe mangoes, that is kacha aam, tamarind and grapes, tartaric acid is present. Ants sting, it releases formic acid in our body. Vinegar contains acetic acid and amla, it contains ascorbic acid. Hence, these are the sources of some natural acids present in our edible items. Fruits like lemon, orange, etc. are called citrus fruits as they contain citric acid. Moreover, every day approximately 2 liters of hydrochloric acid is secreted in our stomach. This acid helps us in the process of digestion. Next, mineral acids. Remember one thing, Mineral acids are highly corrosive in nature. They can cause severe burns on the skin, so they should never be tasted or they should never be handled with bare hands. Few mineral acids generally found in our school laboratories are hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, and phosphoric acid. And that's all for today. Now it's time for your home assignment. Start the new chapter from very fresh page. Give heading chapter number 6, acids, bases and salts, and your first question will be, what are acids? After writing answer to this question, write down the types of acids as shown on the screen. After this, please do make a table of natural or organic acids and their sources as shown on the screen.